Hey everybody, my name is Brandon. Welcome back to Ageras, and today we are going over the difference between accountants and bookkeepers. Looking for an easy way to find an accountant for your small business? Head to Ageras.com to receive your 3 free quotes from our large source of trusted accounting professionals. Ageras, finding an accountant has never been easier. So what exactly does a bookkeeper do? Well, bookkeepers are in charge of maintaining records of all money coming in and out of the company. A bookkeeper records these daily transactions and presents them in a consistent and easy to read way. On top of maintaining records, bookkeepers often find themselves posting debits and credits, managing payroll, creating invoices, and maintaining and balancing accounts, ledgers, or subsidiaries. The maintaining of the aforementioned ledgers is a prime task for bookkeepers. This ledger is usually a document that provides record of sale and expense receipts. Some bookkeepers like to use their own method to retain this information, but there are other third-party softwares that they could be using as well. The process of which these bookkeepers record information is usually up to personal preference, whether they use these third-party softwares or use their own method. So accountants, on the other hand, usually have a degree in accounting or finance and have less to do with recording the information and more to do with analyzing it when they get it from a bookkeeper. They will analyze the information given to them, and they will give the business financial reports and financial advice. Accountants will often run internal audits as well, so that way they can make sure that all of the information being recorded is accurate and that all of the finances of the business are being maintained properly. The reason the accountant's job is so important is because they need to get all of the pieces of the finance in the company and piece them together. And when all of the pieces of the puzzle are put together, they need to take a step back and understand the bigger picture of the finances of the company. This way they can determine the direction the company is headed with their current spendings and earnings. Bookkeepers do exactly what their name implies. They don't go too heavy into the finances of the company, they more so make sure that all of the records are being properly maintained. Now, if you need someone to take a look at the finances of a company and which direction they're going, as well as manage the company taxes, that would be the job for an accountant. All in all, their jobs kind of run in tandem, but have very different aspects to them. If you want to manage all the accounting for yourself, then you're pretty much looking for a bookkeeper who can record all the transactional data for the company. But if you want someone who can manage all the finances for a company, then you would really need an accountant. I hope I was able to make it a little bit easier for you to decide if you need an accountant or a bookkeeper for your business. Maybe even both. Now, if you're looking for an accountant, be sure to head over to Ageras.com and you can get your 3 free quotes from our trusted source of accountants. Now, that's pretty much the difference between an accountant and a bookkeeper. There's really not much to it. So thank you very much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, as well as like the video. Also, if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. This has been Brandon from Ageras. I'll see you next time.